My name is Conor Holohan and I'm one of the trainers here at Brighton College. I'm from Ireland originally, where I studied culinary arts, and I've been in Australia for the last 7 years. My background is as a chef. I've worked in Australia, America and Ireland, and my specialty is pastry, hot kitchen and larder. So I delivered the Certificate 4 in Kitchen Management, the Diploma of Hospitality Management and Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management. In the certificate course we run a variety of different practical masterclasses as well as theory-based units. And in the Diploma and Advanced Diploma we look at real-life scenarios, lots of role plays that gives us the students the opportunity to get the skills where they would work in a management role within hotels, restaurants, cafes and the event space. With the experience that they learn here, they get real life tangible skills that they can apply in a culinary setting or in a hospitality setting, which is suitable for a variety of different careers. The most memorable experience I've had is probably over the course of the time I've been here is just seeing the progress my students have made. Taught students from when they have no skills, culinary skills, to seeing them thrive in a fast-paced environment in the kitchen, which is really good. It's good to see them develop those skills that they need and also just to become more comfortable in a kitchen environment. So that's been really rewarding for me. The main advice I would have is if you have an interest in food, that's all you really need. If you're happy to take the risk or take the chance in a commercial kitchen, you'll reap the rewards by enjoying what it has to offer. So I would say take the risk, jump into the kitchen as soon as you can. Don't think about it too much, and it's always a daunting experience. But if you are to come and study here, we will give you those skills to make it less daunting, so we can equip you with what you need in order to succeed in the industry. To find out more about this course or any other course that we offer, please visit www.brighton.edu.au.